Back in the 1960s, President John F. Kennedy declared the week of May 15th would be National Police Week, with May the 15th being specifically National Police Memorial Day. And this is why we are here today. There are those who say there are no longer any heroes. And I submit to you, they just don't know where to look. I look around this area right now and I see firefighters. I see police officers. I see our dispatchers. And I see the citizens that are willing to engage and be involved in the community. I see those who rush in while others are rushing out.
The Congress of the United States of America Certificate of Recognition, awarded to the Prosper Police Department in celebration of National Police Week 2025, with gratitude for the unwavering dedication, bravery, and service of the men and women in law enforcement who protect and serve our communities with honor and integrity.
I know every person that's uniformed here and non-uniformed, but every day you come into work and you display uncommon valor, character, competence, compassion, courage, and commitment that we have on our sleeve. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.